All right. So if today is your first time of navigating into my channel, please do well to follow us, subscribe, share this video to as many persons as you can. Today we'll be talking about 5 crops you should have around your farm or inside your farm as a snail farmer. 5 crops, 5 plants you should have in your farmyard, in your farm. The first one is the plantain leaf. Now, these 5 crops serves dual purposes. They serve 2 purposes in your snail farm: the plantain or the banana leaves. Now, the plantain or the banana serves as tool, being that you can feed your snails with the fruit, and you also use the leaves for mulching. So it serves as 2 purposes. Now remember, you cannot do without plantain in your snail farming. So you need a plantain or a banana plant around your farm or inside your farm. And then number 2, you need the potato around your farm or inside your farm as well. The potato serves dual purpose. The snails eat the leaves, the snails eat the tuber. So it serves 2 purposes as well. You have that in your farm and your snails are doing great as a feed from it naturally or as you give it to them. And then the third here is the pumpkin. The pumpkin leaf serves dual purposes as well. You give the leaf to your snails, and you also give the seed from the pumpkin leaf to your snails. The seed serves as protein, a source of protein to your snails, and also the leaves at the same time. So it serves 2 purposes. This is another crop you should have around your farm or inside your snail farm. And then the first one here, we'll be looking at the cocoyam. The cocoyam also serves as 2 purposes. It serves as shade, it serves as feed. The snails eat from the leaf and also use the leaves as shade, and also eat from the fruit. So they serve dual purposes as well. So we have the plantain, we have the potato, we also have the pumpkin, we have the cocoyam. And then the 5th one is your spinach, which is very rich in protein. Your snails cannot reject your spinach in their diet. So you also have the spinach serving as dual purposes, as shade and as feed for your snails. Now, if you have access to all of these 5 I just mentioned, then you are good to go. Now, if you don't have the whole 5, try and get above 3, get 2. It becomes a source of support to your farm. Remember that feeding is everything you need in snail farming. You cannot do without feeding your snails, and you cannot do without giving them good shade from the wind and from the sun. So these crops serve these purposes, and you cannot do without them. If this is the first time of seeing our video, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video. Remember that every video we drop on this page, on this channel, is to feed you with the right information when it comes to snail farming. The truth is, if you have watched this video till this point, it means you're actually enjoying this video. So why not do us the favor by giving us a thumbs up? Click on the thumbs up button, drop a comment, tell us what you have learned differently from what you've been hearing about snail farming in this video, and we're also going to be responding to you. See you in our next video.